Hi there, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face, 6 Best Audio Sites. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 6 best free audio sites, because I tell you, they're harder and harder to find, and how they actually can make or break your video. Then I'm going to show you how to place it onto your YouTube site. Then in a moment, I'm going to share with you a link of how you can actually get your finished videos on the front page of Google, the front page of YouTube, and also in the Google carousel. Make money on YouTube without showing your face, the 6 best free audio sites. And there's still some free audio sites out there. It's amazing that a lot of them now you have to pay for, but there's some that are free, and that's what this video is about. Now, I'm going to back it up slightly, and you've got your videos all together. You decided you didn't want to get in front of the camera. Your product doesn't design that you get in front of the camera, and you're not sure if you want to do a narrative over or voice over, so you decide to do something different. You're going to put some warm, fuzzy feelings to your videos, and alas, you're going to put music to them. Now, finding the right tunes isn't a make or break it. You know, if you got a drone and you've got footage, if you're selling drones and you got a footage of the sky and the video and the air and the view and the water and the mountains, you don't want to have Mozart's Requiem to a funeral. I mean, that's just going to be a buzzkill. You're never going to get any sales. But if you got the right music for the video, it just you crush it. And what's happening now is there is less and less sites that you can actually do free videos with that are non-royalty. And if you do a royalty video, my goodness, you're going to get slammed in a matter of moments. And all that hard work putting your video together, it goes by the wayside. And if you're on a shoestring budget, or you just want to spend money on music, this video is going to show you some great website with royalty-free music. Now, the first one that I use, and that is, and these are all ones that I have used, just as a by the way. These are all ones that there's a lot out there. I like all these, and there are some that are super lazy because I always take the easy way out. And there's some that are incredibly cheesy. Or not some of them. One of them is incredibly cheesy, which I'm going to share with you in a little bit. The first one is Audio Library, and that's from YouTube. I use this a lot because it's so convenient. It just works with YouTube videos amazing. And they've got a ton of stuff there. They've actually even got some sound effect stuff that you may want to bookmark. That is really cool. The second one that I have used and I like is the Facebook Sound Collection. And it's very similar to YouTube, and it's basically there's less filters, and some of the songs I find that they're heavy, or they're actually they take up a lot of space. Now, what you do is you go and you sign in, you get started. Welcome to Creator Studio. Then you go to the creative tools and get the sound collection, and it works great. The third I use a lot as well, and it's kind of funky, and I've used it on certain videos when I'm sharing my videos on how to get on the first page of YouTube and Google, and where I will do voiceovers with video, and I'll shoot some music in between, and it's very effective. It's very slick. It works great. Now, I'm going to warn you right now, is the next one you may want to step back from your computer screen because it's pretty out there. Now, being out there is one thing. There it is. It's awesome. If you're looking for something that's pretty easy to navigate, this is it. You just hit on soft or hard or metal or rock, and you'll find it. Now, there is a caveat to that. There is a condition to this. And since all the music is under the C4 license, you got to give them credit in your description box. It's only fair, just so they're going to get credit, and they're able to offer this for free. The next one here is Free Stock Music. It's another great one. It's pretty straightforward. It's exactly what it says. It's free. You got stock music. I mean, what else is there to say? Other than that, you got to give them credit again because they still fall under the CC4 licensing agreement, and you want to give them credit in the description box. Free music for vlogs. Now, the verdict on this is it's refreshing. You're going to find stuff in there that is different. And the verdict? It's got some very cool background tunes for your travel videos or your, landscaping videos or talking head videos. And I've used it, and it pulls the video together. There's no question. However, once again, please put the credits in the description. It's really important to do that so these sites stay free. Now, I promise you the cheesy one, this is the cheesy one. I run on iMac, so I like it. It works. It just works. Now, with iMac, I get a free video editor, and it's called iMovies. And in a pinch, when I'm super lazy, iMovies actually has some audio that you can actually use and transform into your videos, which works. It works good in a pinch. I would recommend the other ones more than this. However, if you're in a time frame concern, this works really good. So how do you put it all together? Well, with my videos, I rarely put my videos with music, then send it over to YouTube. I typically send my video over to YouTube, then add the music. And I don't know if it's a quirk or if it's true, but I find that it loads up a lot quicker when there's no music. So let's go up here and I'll show you how to add the music on your YouTube channel. First of all, you go up to your face, you go down to your YouTube studio, and then you go to your videos. And one of the videos I'm going to do is I'm going to do my Malecon ride. So you go in and you do the pencil here. And then you come over to editor, which is the third down from the details, and you hit it. And it'll go, it should start to, well, it won't start to go at this quite yet. So you come down and there's the video. Here's the music. So you hit the music and you hit the audio, and there's all your music. Now, I did something pretty funky. This was, I was running my motorcycle in La Paz, Mexico, on the Baja, and I was going down the Malecon, and I thought something a little more funky. Now, what I can do is I can look around any of these videos, and let's do something hip-hop. We'll add this instead. There you are. That's as easy as it is. There's nothing to it. Then all you do is you put save changes and you've got your video music. Like, is that not easy or what? I'm not a real fan of this. It needs to have a little more record. It's not bad. I still think this is a little more raunchy. Yeah, that's a little more raunchy. Sorry that was a little loud. It was a little louder than my narratives, but you can see the that raunchy music works a lot better than calming music when you're riding a motorcycle down the Baja on the Sea of Cortez. Now, as always, please hit the like button, the share button, and leave a comment below. And I am going to leave a link in the description and also on the screen. If you want to get your video, your finished video, on the front page of Google, the front of YouTube, and also on the Google carousel, please check it out. Paul has done an amazing job of breaking the code on ranking with Google and YouTube, and it's worth checking out. As always, you take care, and we will see you in the next video.